morning, divas. Today I want to show you something new. This is called Follow the Stars. This is from Happy Planner. Now, you've seen me use Happy Planners before. This is one of their special Happy Boxes, they call them. And it's a special pack of goodies that you can purchase every once in a while from them. This is the Follow the Stars box, and I'm going to use it for like planning and journaling. This is the coolest box. Look at the lid. It's got the Stars Hold Magic from the Happy Planner. Coolest box ever. Black tissue. I opened it already, so black tissue came in here. It's got crystals. It's all purples and blues. It's so beautiful. This is what comes in the Happy Box. Okay, so first of all, if you know Happy Planner, or if you don't know Happy Planner, they come in their notebooks and calendars. Okay, and they come on rings. I just wanted to be sure that you're seeing everything here. They come on these rings, these discs. And Happy Planner has discs that have hearts in the middle. These are metallic, the metal discs. Metal discs sometimes they come special, okay? And they're not always big. This is a notebook, so they're going to be small. And these, they include bigger ones. These are 11 pieces because the bigger ones come with 11 rings. These are, I think, 9 on the standard size. These are purple sparkle plastic discs, and they have a little moon cut out in them. And they give this in the kit. So they're medium, called medium discs, and they're normal. That comes in the packet. These have sturdy covers. They are the disc binding system, which I'll show you in a minute. The inside covers of these are absolutely to die for. Alright, it comes with the little welcome in here, and it tells you that it is dotted, lined layout. You'll see what that means in a moment. But the neat thing about the Happy Planners, and it's like the Levenger system that's in Staples. Basically, they're discs, and you have papers with disc cutouts, and what you do is you can pop in any paper that's punched the same way anywhere and take it out again and replace it and keep doing that often. The notebooks come with 3 dividers. This one has a hand and it says, let's see, be the energy you want to attract. Be the energy you want to attract. So that's the one of it. It says black stars on the back, black and purple stars. The next one is kind of phases of the moon. It says she walked in moonlight, and stars were sprinkled in her hair. And the back has more of a, a universal theme to it. And then it has a half and half sun, half moon. And this says, live by the sun and love by the moon. And the back of that divider is that. And the back of the planner has the neat universe in it. And it has the Happy Planner on the back. Okay, so these are laminated covers. They're really strong and sturdy. The dividers are not laminated. They are paper, but they have a laminated tab on it. And what I like to do is use some of that roll-on erase, and I either put a sticker on it where I label them, or I put the roll-on erase on top of it and then write over top of it, because you cannot write on this slicky surface here. So the pages themselves, they're very lightweight. They're matte. Like I said, they pop in and out. They have a black border on it that has the purple and blue stars on the edges that jump into the white paper itself. It's very lightly lined. Okay. That's what it means by dotted line. It's not a solid line, it's like dots in a line. Okay, so there's the notebook that comes with it, and these gorgeous purple metallic discs. A couple more things that come in this kit. This is a stone heart. It's kind of like a worry stone. It's a beautiful rose quartz, pink quartz heart. I think they're appealing to a new age crowd with that, but that's okay. It's beautiful. It comes with a cling sticker that says shimmering, no wait. It says, look to the stars with shimmering eyes. Isn't that pretty? It comes with a card to let you know that what everything is in there. And this one says, keep looking to the stars. You can also use your punch and punch along an edge and use it for a divider card. And on the back, it says what all is in the kit, which I'm showing you, so. Okay, so there's that. It comes with, I'm not sure how many, but these are affirmation cards. It's like if you pick an affirmation for the week. I don't want to ruin the bag, but it looks like I'm going to have to open it up just a little bit. Pull them out here. Everything's so sealed and banded very nicely. The back has these, different images on the backs. The crystals, the moons, the suns, the stars. And the fronts have, let's see, this one says, I have power to create change. And it comes in a foil, like a holographic foil. Okay. This one says, I am doing my best and that is always enough. Isn't that a statement that we can live by? So there's a whole bunch of things in here that you can use for affirmation. Again, you could punch the sides and stick them in for like your weekly reminder if you'd like. You can leave them on your bureau when you get dressed to look at one in the morning. Do all kinds of things with it. This is a notepad. I think this is the bottom of it because this side is punched. It has a purple dot field and purple lines on it. And the back is plain white, so you can use it for more notes. It's a notepad. It comes with a divider. Now let me take this off so that you can see the divider well enough. These are called dashboards. They're laminated heavy plastic like the covers. Not quite as thick as the covers, but as you can see, has the phases of the moon, and it talks about each of the phases of the moon. And what does it say on here? Like, I can barely read it with my glasses. It's got a meaning, a little bit of a meaning, like for new moon, waxing crescent, first quarter, waxing gibbons, full moon, waning gibbons, last quarter, and waning crescent. So it tells you what each of the phases look like. It tells you like a little bit of a meaning behind each one. The back is plain. Probably could have put something on the back just as easily, but it's laminated, and these go in, and they're dividers that have a little, instead of their regular dividers sticking out the side, they stick out the top, so you can go right to what you need. Isn't that neat? This I'm going to use for goal setting, you know, like for it's a new year, we all set goals for ourselves, but the funnest thing in it is always the stickers. This is a wide pack. Usually the sticker sets only come in about this wide, and for, you know, $20 a pack, if you get them full price, which I don't. I haven't gotten any of this for a long time, so this is called the Stargazer sticker sheets, and you get a bunch for the top sheets. You get, oh, that's going to be hard on camera, isn't it? Ah! Holographic stickers. This is Feed Your Soul, Free Spirit. It has that shimmering eyes again. Don't Lose Your Fire, Dreamer, Be a seeker of everyday magic. And there's another with different sayings, another holographic, and one more holographic: moon, stars, suns, and crystals. Oh, and another one with tiny little ones, and one more with more sayings on it. Now we get to the same things, but in without the holographic foil. Some have foil on it. You can tell the shininess of it. Phases of the Moon, Magic Dreamer, they're lovely, aren't they? And these are the same sayings that are in the cards. So when you pick one, you can use one of these to use in your planner if you'd like. And those are the foil ones, and these are the plain colored ones. The same thing. Ooh, good. We have stuff to use in your planner. Reflect and Feeling. Mantra, if you use a mantra. Free Spirit. These like washi strips. These are like the little discs in the center. And same thing in a different type of purple. And in black with the purple. And in white, where you can write your own saying on it and put it in your planner. So it says there are 354 pieces in the kit. Normally you don't get the fancy holographic stickers when you purchase a kit. So this is what you get. You get the notebook with the metal discs. You get the divider with Phases of the Moon. You get the sticker pack with 354 pieces, including holographic pieces. You get the notepad. You get discs that are medium purple. They're bigger than these, and they have a moon cut into the middle, and they're purple sparkle. You get the affirmation cards. You get a vinyl sticker and a card that tells you what all is in the magic pack. Okay? This is beautiful. This is absolutely beautiful, and I'm looking forward to using it. And as I use it, I'll be showing you how I use it. Okay? Let's see. So I'm going to put all these goodies back in its little box back here. Oh, and the crystal heart. I forgot about the crystal heart. Yeah. I forgot about the crystal heart. So, thank you for checking this out with me, Divas. And I look forward to showing you more goodies. Coming up, I have a little bit more in my planner series and how I use my planners every day.